Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a review. Yes, this is gonna be an interesting one. This is the Mixcder E9 Pros, which I had for a couple of months, and it's time for review. So let's talk about something. Let's talk about the build quality, let's talk about the sound quality, let's talk about the communication functions, ability, ANC as well. So if you're planning to buy these headphones, make sure you watch today's video. I know there's a lot of reviews about these headphones, but this is gonna be my review. So I had it for a couple of months. When I did the unboxing, I was very excited. I do like this color, it's very nice. Let's talk about first the build quality. So the build quality of the Mixcder E9 Pros, it's not very well. I know I was very excited when I did the unboxing. I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. Make sure you watch the first impressions in the unboxing about the headphones. I was very excited about these headphones when I got them, when I did the unboxing. But after a while, when you start to use them, you start to have some problems. They're made from hard plastic, and after a couple of minutes, half an hour, I start to have problems on my ear, and this is not very pleasant in my opinion. And the reason for that is because they're made from hard plastic, and they're not very light. And overall, the build quality, it's not excellent, it's not great, but it's okay. Other than that, they're quite comfortable. The only problem is they pinching a little bit your ears, and they're quite flexible as well. Another thing that I want to mention is that you know, the options here when you adjust the size of your head, this I think it's not well made in my opinion, because if you, for example, you choose your right let's say size for your head, this is very easy. So basically you can just, you don't put too much pressure and they don't stay. This is the problem. And this accidentally you can move them without knowing, and you have to adjust them. So yeah, this and in my opinion, it's not made very well. They're not very hard. You need some of the headphones that I used before. This part here, it's very hard. You need a little bit pressure to put. Here it's very loose, if this makes sense. Other than that, the build quality is alright. Let's talk about now the fun part. The fun part is some of the functions about these headphones. If you want to see my unboxing and all the information that I did, make sure you watch that. The video is great. There's a lot of information about the headphones. This is going to be mainly about the build quality and other stuff. So let's talk about the fun stuff now. So the fun stuff is some of the functions of the headphones. Something that I noticed is that I believe this is not right. I was thinking to say wrong, but you'll be the judge. So let's switch the headphones on. Power on. So as you can see, the light is blinking, they're on. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's on. So we have a ANC button here, as you can see. So I'm going to switch the ANC on. I wish there was like some, I know there's a light, but I wish there was like some sound or something that this is on. So the problem with this is now, as you can see, the ANC is on. So when I switch the headphones off completely, power off, and now we still have the ANC on, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see. So I think this is not very well thoughtful, and the reason for that is because now the headphones are off and you still have the ANC on. So you listen your favorite music and you forgot to switch the ANC off, and then you don't have battery. Yeah, this is not being well designed, thoughtful, I think, in my opinion. You're the judge. You let me know if you agree with me. But yeah, the ANC one should be on only when you use the headphones. If the headphones are off, they should be off, but apparently it's not. Other than that, I'm quite happy about these headphones actually. Like I mentioned, this is the other things that I mentioned, the build quality, they're not very comfortable. Other thing that I want to say is the port situation. So we have a micro USB. I know they're okay. Some headphones, they still come in 2022 with a micro USB, but I think it's a very old port, and it's good if we move to Type C. It's much convenient, much easy. But micro USB, it's quite old, so I think it's quite old in my opinion port. We have a 5.0 Bluetooth connectivity, not the latest, but 5.0 is alright. About 35 hours playtime, listening with the ANC, about 30 hours. So I had blast with these headphones. I took them on holiday, I used them on the plane. Now it's time to talk about the ANC. So the ANC is okay. It's not perfect, it's not great. I think needs a lot of improvement still. But for £70, I think it's alright. I use them on the plane. You know, on the plane when you listen to music or watch movie, it's quite noisy. But other than that, the noise cancelling is alright. Don't get me wrong. Obviously, they're not the same as my favorite headphones, which are Beats Solo Pro. The noise cancelling is amazing on the Beats Solo Pro. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna do a review soon. They're not the same caliber, but the noise cancelling is alright. You have quick charging, so if you plug them for 5-10 minutes, you're gonna have like a couple of minutes, like a 30 minutes, which is nice. Charging time is 1 hour, which is alright. But overall, they're very good headphones, except a couple of things. Obviously, it's a good thing. I hope Mixders companies watching this video, they're not bad headphones. Just they need to change a couple of things. If they change the build quality, if they're a little bit lighter, it will be much better. Also, the problem with the ANC, I think they're very good headphones for £70. They're very good headphones. Definitely recommend them. Sound quality is very good. Let's talk about the sound quality now. Well made. I mean, it's balanced. I wish the bass was a little bit punchier, but the bass is soft. But yeah, sound quality is great. You're gonna like the sound quality. They're hybrid. You can use them with a 3.5mm headphone jack and also Bluetooth as well. So overall, definitely I recommend these headphones for £70. Very good buy. I still use them every day. I didn't have any complaints. Overall, if they change all my things, I think they'll be perfect headphones. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Do you have this Mixcder E9 Pros? Are you happy with these headphones? Let me know in the comments down below.